Hey, it's your girl Shanique. Girls, you never guess what happened. Justin Bieber asked me to marry him. This one too. Oh my god. You never guess what happened, yeah. I was walking down the street, then I saw my sister's best friend's cousin's sister, brother's best friend, yeah. And then she was Christina Aguilera, and I was like, can I have your perfume? She was like, yes. I got her to the news. I got her to Virgin Atlantic. I know, it's so cool.
In the cleaning department. How do you know that?
Cause I look at that shit. Hey, I looked at him. He was like,
Girl, what you doing there?
I was like, I love you, baby. Also, other boys love me.
How do you know that?
Because they tell me I put a B in pretty. My boyfriend is going to buy me diamond ring.
What boyfriend?
Oh.